Welcome back to Breathwork 614's channel. I'm Tiffany Berger, and today I'm here teaching you a strategy to use when experiencing anxiety. Poo Poo Breath. Go ahead and assume your best breath posture. Today I'm sitting up with a straight back, but you can do this as well lying down. Go ahead and inhale through your nose, filling up belly, chest, and then on the exhale, you're going to release that breath through your mouth, saying poo, 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 poo. When ready with your best breath posture, we're going to complete 5 cycles. Here we go. Inhaling. That's 1. 3. 4. 5. Observe how you feel. If you're still experiencing signs of anxiety or overwhelm, such as a fast heartbeat or maybe your adrenaline or blood pumping, participate in 5 more cycles. Take this breathwork technique slowly and listen to your body. Participating in 5 cycles, pausing, observing your body, then moving forward with 5 more cycles. When signs of anxiety have decreased, return back to your normal nasal breathing. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the nose. Thank you for breathing love with me today. Bye.